What is your 100% mindset of wearing that clothes?
Just to catch fun. I'm a single mom who is striving hard to put food on my family's table.
Are you for real?
I've done a lot of dirty shit. I've done a lot of dirty shit that he took advantage, and then later he didn't help me. So I was like, okay, fine. I left the hotel. I have them as an artist. Jesus. They will be like, Dami mo fe assist. Ni ma koto assist mi to jẹ́ pé musician ni. A very popular one. Tí n bá rí wọn lórí stage nígbà mi, ó máa ṣe mí bí kí n ní ìbọn. Bí pé ó bá yẹ pé killing is free. Tí n bá rí wọn lórí stage tó ń kọrin, he's actually a gospel singer.
Gbígbà ni ká máa rọ́jú. Ìgbà ń padà bọ̀ wá gbà ni. Mo mọ̀ ó dá mi lójú. I'm very sure that one day, you will change my story to glory.
I welcome you to Smedia podcast. I would welcome you to Mystery. And I want to use this medium to appreciate all our loyal fans. And Vans, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your likes. Thank you so much for your share. Thank you so much for your comments. I want to urge you, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button. You know, when you click on the subscribe button, you'll be able to see our next episode. And this is another way of supporting us as well. I want to urge you, please go and take your seat. Watch this program from the beginning to the end. Please make sure you complete this video before you drop your comments or your opinion on this video. All right, let's make welcome my amazing sister with me in the studio. Inka kama shele loni. Oroma jabo. Yeah, so and for like some few days now, our video have been trending online, and this part of reason why we need to call her. I would urge you to listen very well and watch this program from the beginning to the end. So good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
I welcome you on this show.
My pleasure.
Welcome to Smedia podcast.
My pleasure.
So for many people that have been seeing your videos online but they don't know your name, so we like you to introduce yourself properly.
Okay. My name is Abiodun Damilola Sumebari. Omonile Aje 1, aka Damilola famous.
Omonile Aje 1.
Yeah.
Aka Damilola famous.
Wọ́n lè gbé guess.
Wọ́n lè gbé guess.
Aje.
Kí ni gẹ̀? I don't understand.
Na wọ́n lè gbé guess na.
Okay, wọ́n tó bẹ́ẹ̀.
Sele mi ẹ.
Okay. Kí ni iṣẹ́ tẹ́yin yàn láàyò láti máa ṣe?
Well, let me say I'm a musician.
Okay.
And then, yeah, musician.
What kind of music do you sing?
I sing secular music.
Secular music?
Yeah, both juju, fuji, apala, and then gospel.
Any songs, any aspect?
Repertoires, yes, any aspect.
You flow to it?
100.
Wow. Okay, let's now start with your name. You said Omonile Aje. Can you explain that? How that name come for you?
Well, I actually did this all because this is the only way I can thank and sacrifice my boss, Demola Omofamoshe. There is this stuff going up online with him and his ex-staff.
Okay. But
I felt to be trolled is not something good, actually. So just for him not to feel left out or alone. So as a band member, I need to support him. So then I had to go change my name from, I was actually using Damilola before.
Okay.
So Damilola me on TikTok before. So I had to change it back to Omonile Aje 1.
Wow.
But I had to put Redeem Nation RN Omonile Aje 1.
Okay.
So that was when I changed my name. So this Damilola famous of a thing. Actually, I was using Damilola Glorious.
Oh.
Before. Everybody who knows me knows Damilola Glorious. But at some point, I had to be like, people knows me through this man. This is how I can appreciate him. I'm not stealing his brand rather.
Okay.
So I'm just trying to, feel among, and then I'm very proud of him.
Oh,
that was why I had to Damilola famous, and I like it that way.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, that is your art behind the name.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. Oh, tí mama wo dada, ṣé ẹ̀yin gangan tí ń kọrin tẹ́lẹ̀ kó tó di pé ẹ ń ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú ẹni yìí?
Yes. At least I've not worked with artists. I should be working with about 10 artists.
Before?
Before. Number 1, Jide Bravo, Sheyi Pleasure.
Wow.
I work with Beske, and then I was into drumming. I play Omele Bata and I play Shekere then I was staying in Agege at Muliro, Agbotukuyo. Babalo Ilapa was the one who taught me how to play Omele Bata, and I worked with this man too in Shagam. Toby Noah, Tinwa.
Okay.
People knows him as Tinwa. And I work with a woman too, like she sings in Shagam. Rihanna, they call her Rihanna.
Okay.
Yeah, she sings in Shagam. So, and then later on, before I joined those people, I've been singing when I was small. I started singing when I was very, very small, at age 7.
Wow.
And then it's not that maybe I sing gospel. I sing Bata songs, like I dance Bata. I love art.
Okay.
So I sing cultural songs most times in school. And then one of my teachers just said she has this charisma, like she can do it.
Okay.
So then when I got to secondary school, I started singing in school choir. I went to Muslim Girls High School in Ijebode.
Okay.
So most everybody knows me. Then I was Yoruba of my time then. So I sing cultural songs. I compose cultural songs. And then I have been singing now, if I'm not mistaken, at least. Like, I should be proud of myself.
Wow.
It's been long.
Wow. Sorry, are you a Christian or Muslim?
Well, that's a big question actually. Though my dad is a Christian.
Okay.
My mom's side Muslim.
Okay.
But I practice both religion.
Wow.
Because I stayed at my grandma's place.
Okay.
So my grandma is a Muslim.
Okay.
My grandpa too is a Muslim.
Okay.
So it is a must for us to go to mosque. In fact, I did walima.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, now with this your experience you have even before you join and this your Oga band, you don't see many things be that oh. So no be say today now you start.
Today, oh.
Wow.
No be today. Now I talk say nobody fit be guess. Lie. No be today oh.
You have had a lot of experience.
A lot of experience. Was it when I did one of my songs, Eho You Are You?
Okay.
I did it in Ijebode, and then when I was still...
Is it a track or a album?
It's an album.
Album, wow.
I have about 5 to 6 tracks.
That was how many years ago?
Hey, wait. Should be 9 to 8 years. Someone can testify to it. His name is Abel. Abel Melody. Yes.
Wow.
Omo Woliyenka. And then we were 3. Me, Akobida Fidi, and Abel. So then I was still using Orisun Saint. Or you can call it Saint Orisun. Then.
Okay, that's your name there?
Yeah, that was my name then.
Okay.
At that time, I went to the studio and then I got to Prince's place. He did that song.
Who is
Those
Prince?
songs. Is
he a producer?
Yeah, he's a producer.
Okay.
So I'm a producer. So they always want to, to make use
time
of,
analog.
Yeah, they want to make use of like they want to take advantage of people then.
Before
in
the
the
help.
sense that yes, before the help, it was not like Dami. That day he came to our church. Did he? Yes, he came for our Ikore then. Then I was still going to City of Joy in Ijebode. So he just came, was like, I love the way you sang. Can you come? Can you come to my studio? I want to do a birthday shout out. Can you? No problem, sir. So when I got there, I did a birthday shout out for a woman like that. She was doing birthday. So when I finished.
Is that your first time of going to studio?
Yes, that was my first time. So when I got there, I sang. The man was like, more like voice, she ma worry, ma take bills, ma tonjen fine, can you come? I was very happy. When I got home, I told my mom said, go now. Then when I was still small, my mom, she has all my higher education. Tí mo máa ń kọrin sí. Èmi ò kí ń kọrin láàárọ̀ mi dẹ̀ ń kọrin lálẹ́ ọwọ́ òru bíi 12 ni máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa compose wọ̀ fọ́ ni.
Ó máa ń gbórin wá.
Mo lè sùn kódà mi ò tún compose lásán inú Bible ni mo ti máa ń mú orin. Then I sang this song ẹ ó ìwọ ayọ̀ sí Olúwa ẹ̀yin ilẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ fi ayọ̀ sí Olúwa ẹ wá tẹ̀yìn torin síwájú rẹ̀ kẹ́yìn kó mọ̀ pé Olúwa òun lọ́lọ́run. I took the Bible verse from Psalm 150 then. And then later I sang this song Kadara. Yes, I sang another one Orísun mi báre. Sún mi báre o ẹ̀dá mi sún mi báre kó rí ọlọ́lá o kó má ṣe pè mí rán níṣẹ́. Sún mi báre o ẹ̀dá mi sún mi báre. So then I was not like, when I sang the song, the man was like, orin yẹn no bad. I did the first album, the second album, the third album. The third album has just 3.
Third album, yeah. Third track.
Third album.
I'm
talking about album here. I'm not exaggerating. People who are watching, I still have some. Onírọ̀lọ́mọlẹ́lẹ́rú wà lọ́rùn. Abel ọmọ wòlíì Yínká ìsàbí like we did. He did like no be say pé bí a rock pé kíni o. They understand.
Chai.
Say this woman, she don't see shege. Prince said I should come to the studio that day. When I got there, what I was expecting was not what he gave to me. I thought my manager, but the way to my manager pé kí n fẹ́ kí n ṣe kíníkan. Kọ́kọ́ o Prince ìgbà yẹn kẹ̀dẹ̀rẹ́ tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ pé mo ní wá kó mo san lórí gan. Ní ìgbádùn fọkùnrin. Èmi tẹ́ pé tí má wà ní school ngbà mi, wọ́n bá pé tó bá ń gbọ́ senior Lambo tó bá méré ikú pa ẹ́.
I'm just senior Lambo.
Èmi ni atakere yọdún. You see me like this. You kọ́kọ́ see me like this. You be like, ọmọ yìí tún ti dé bí àwọn teachers.
What is your height?
And kò dìgbà tí fìrìgbọ̀n sílẹ̀kùn mẹ́rin.
Fìrìgbọ̀n sílẹ̀kùn.
Láíláí. It's not pé tí ma. I have a brother and my grandma's last born is an handicap.
Wow.
For the fact that he's an handicap, a lot of people wanted to, harass him, bully him, and talk down on him. I wasn't like this before, but that day, I went to his school. He was going to technical school. So one of his friends was now beating him at hostel 6. I was out there. I was like, we're nini. That was the first time I act like a wako person. Kini kan mi ebi kan ale nte mi pé normal èmi teke mo bẹ̀rù teke mo kéré yìí mo máa ń fear pé kí on ma tie lọ́nà mi. Nje mo kini e kan kamila nǹkan yẹn kan trigger mi ni mo mu go ti mi na abolo shi ni tí fẹ́ bàjẹ́ sha kini kan. Báwo baba yẹn ṣe wá rí pé mo sọ ni e ta ni wo gan mo ni èmi gangan labu rẹ̀ tí fẹ́ orí burú ni. Mo sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí gbogbo kan sa ìkan lára wa dúró tó jẹ́ number 1 wọ́n bí àwọn kakos wọn. So one ni kinikan from there the guy now said I love your courage kinikan the way me and that guy started dating. Wow. So since then I've been a tough girl to the end that I can't forget the day my dad beat me not because of my ruggedness. Possibly my farm me to the last. Mi ò kí ń jẹ pankẹ́rẹ́ gan bí méjì mẹ́ta ni. Àpá wà lára mi ń re ó pọ̀ dáadáa bàbá sún ní ń re mi ń gbọ́ràn rárá. Mi ìdẹ̀ kí n bóbìnrin jà bí kò pé dáàdì mi pé ẹ̀ ló àfà dáàmì tún ti fa wàhálà ń bẹ̀ yẹn o màá fèsì ẹ̀ man to man. Ọkùnrin. You don't get it. I don't fight with women. But women náà tó bá tún lóhun tún yà wèrè. Mi tún á ní ó máa ní reason tí mo ṣe máa bá ẹ jà. Èmi ò bóbìnrin jà torí ọkùnrin. Because ọkùnrin polygamy in nature ni tó bá unless ọkùnrin tó bá wà reserved. Ọkùnrin tó bá wà reserved nǹkan táwọn èèyàn ṣe máa ń ṣe mistake ni pé ọkùnrin ló cheap jù.
Ẹni pé.
Yes, ọkùnrin ló cheap jù. Ọkùnrin ló máa rí obìnrin for the first time tó máa wò pé ọmọ yìí á ti bọ́ aṣọ láìràn ẹ̀gán ti fẹ́ bí kí n tẹ̀. But obìnrin sì máa fi package sí á ní òun fẹ́ lọ máa rò ó. She understand? Á lóun fẹ́ lọ máa rò ó. No, ayé kì í ṣe lọ máa rò ó náà. But ọkùnrin ò ní rò ó. Wọ́n bá rí ẹ one time wọ́n fẹ́ dàbò ní straight. Prince said, I will help you. Kìnìkan. Mo kàn wojú ọmọ mi ní ìdàpẹ́ ti yá wèrè.
You mean the producer?
Yes, mo ní ṣé torí orin tẹ bá mi ṣe. Ní ṣorí àtẹ̀yìn àti studio yìí. Àwọn ebe wà ń ta, wọ́n wá wọ́n dà pé kílé tí mo yẹn parí. Omi dẹ̀ loud gan.
Like I didn't get, he's trying to say you want to be dating.
Yes.
Okay.
And eléyìí ò tún ṣe níṣe pé bí akọ́kàn fẹnu sọ o. bí kéèyàn máa fọwọ́ tẹ̀yàn lára pé ṣé ìwọ náà dá sí gbogbo ìgbà yẹn gan mo sì nídìí gan mo ní yànṣì mo tún wá kẹtàn mo ẹsẹ̀ mi kọ́ọ̀fù báyìí nígbà yẹn kódà máa yẹn máa ń wò mí pé àdámì kinní kan mo fẹ́ ṣe kinní kan ó máa ń fọwọ́ tẹ̀mí lára inú kan bí mi lọ́jọ́ yẹn pé ó dà pé tí yín fẹ́ bàjẹ́ tí máa fọ́ etí yẹn ní gbọ́ràn mọ́.
Sorry o, before kí producer yìí tó máa ṣe irú nǹkan báyìí àwọn album tẹ́ni ẹ ṣe yẹn ṣe release ẹ.
release kẹ̀kọ́ fún mi dé ní tit for tat ni owó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yìn ilé ló fẹ́ fi ṣe.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣe ó kàn pile ẹjọ́.
pẹ̀lú èmi gan máa wà gan tó máa ti tà but I don't care because I know that níjọ́ tí Ọlọ́run bá máa ṣe God will vindicate me one day. Ọlọ́run á dá mi láre.
Àmín.
And then it's not only him. A lot I've been through a lot.
Okay, now just because nǹkan tí ẹnìyẹn request fún ó wá sízi orí tó yẹ kó ṣe yín yẹn.
That's it.
Bọ̀ǹgbà tó kọ́kọ́ rí yín ó lóun fẹ́ ṣe yín lóore.
Ó fẹ́ ṣe mí lóore tit for tat ni kò ṣe pé ó really wà láti mind ẹ̀ ó fẹ́ débẹ̀ ni ṣé tún wá mọ̀ pé ó tún wá lè débẹ̀ gan kó má tún ṣe. mo ní wọn lè kíkọ forúkọ bò ó tí bá dárúkọ bíbá ìgbẹ́gbẹ́ àgbìnà.
ẹ má dárúkọ.
So I have them as an artist. Jesus. They will be like dami mo fẹ́ assist ó tiẹ̀ ní máa kọ́ tó assist mi tó jẹ́ pé musician ni a very popular one. I won't lie.
Okay.
We had sex.
Wow.
What if I tell you the man didn't pick my call till today? Tí n bá rí wọn lórí stage nígbà mi ó má ṣe mí bí kí n ní ìbọn bí pé ó bá yẹ pé killing is free. If killing was free, trust me.
And you are still seeing him on stage?
I'll be seeing them. Màmá bá wọn rẹ́rìn-ín wọn mọ̀ pé ẹ̀rín ikú mọ̀ ní sáwọn. Tí n bá rí wọn lórí stage tó ń kọrin, he's actually a gospel singer. Then
you mean it?
No. Then I was actually vulnerable. I was in need of help. I'm the first one of my mom. My mom is a matron. My dad, he has retired. He has retired, so he has not been working and is getting old. I have 5 siblings. So then I needed help, and at the same time I'm medically challenged. I went to him as an artist.
You need money.
I need help. I was like, sir, mo need help. No problem. Kí wọ́n bá wọn ní Abẹ́òkúta. With a gbéra imkẹrẹ Ajala travel out of 36 states. I've been to 28. Join mo kàn gbéra ní Èkó ni mo wà nígbà yẹn. Mo kàn gbéra l'Èkó ni. I left Lagos around 6. I got to ABK to 11. When I got there, I was. He just said, "Ma worry, ma find income to what you work." I went there. We had sex. He didn't even give me breathing space to rest. We had sex.
Immediately you got there.
After then, this one, blood of Jesus. This one gave me 5K. I could remember. He sent me 2,000 naira when I was coming. He sent me 5K when he said he was going for a meeting that he's coming back. I waited for this man till the next morning. He didn't pick my calls. The next day, èmi kẹ̀dẹ̀rẹ́ mi ò ní chill pill láti gbéyàn ṣépè. Iṣẹ́ tọ́lọ̀ fi rán mi nìyẹn. Mo dẹ̀ ṣe kíni, mo dẹ̀ mú fóònù, mo dẹ̀ ṣe voice note. Ìpè ńláńlá. Mo ní tí gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ wọn bá ń fi iṣẹ́ orin ṣe rere. Wọ́n ní irú ṣe rere. Wọ́n ò dẹ̀ ṣe rere náà. Mi kò fẹ́ dárúkọ ni. Wọ́n ò fi ṣe rere sẹ́. Ẹ wọ́n pé kí wọ́n máa pọ́n kó kí wọ́n máa ṣe. See, this man, he's just more like somebody taking advantage. I don't like it. I'm a very cool person. At the same time, I might be crazy. It's not because I feel like being crazy. I'm a single mom who is striving hard to put food on my family's table.
Are you for real?
I've done a lot of dirty shit. I've done a lot of dirty shit that kò yẹ kán bá lọ́wọ́ mi pé dámìkè nínú gbogbo àwọn ọmọ mọ́mísí mi gan ṣì máa sọ èmi mo gentle jù mo stop ọmọ tún gentle mo dẹ̀ lójú àánú gan. He took advantage and then later he didn't help me, so I was like, okay, fine. I left the hotel. But nǹkan tó kàn ṣe help tó ṣe fún mi pé ó sanwó hotel àwọn nǹkan tí mo gbà ó sanwó ẹ̀. So I left the next morning.
He left you in the hotel and went for the meeting. And he didn't even feed back.
At that moment, sir, I hate men. Èmi máa ń pe ọkùnrin pé ace alpha. Mo fẹ́ dùn ẹ́. tó bá máa gbà ló máa gbà. Kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan tí máa fẹ́ ṣe tí ọwọ́ mi ò kì í bá. Tí bá sọ pé, hey, guy, I like you, I won't knock you. I wasn't like that. I was very reserved. Then, mom sí mi gan ó máa ń ká mọ́ èmi lára pé Sátánì lágbára kò ní gbàlà o. Redeem ní Jabode. Tí máa ń kọrin, I've been to kò sí church tí mi tí sọ pé mo fẹ́ lọ máa ṣe ministration. I've been to Foursquare, I've been to Redeem, I've been to Sele, I've been to Zion, I've been to Kerub. Kò dẹ̀ sí genre of music wọn kọ̀ọ̀kan tí mi lè flow pẹ̀lú. In fact, tí máa kọrin Muslim fún yẹn máa rò pé bí I know I'm a Muslim. But at some point, guys, people like artists started taking me for granted. I roll with it. I was like, so later, I went to Lagos back. So when I went to Lagos, I was staying in the church, in Sele Church. Sele. When I was there, I would sing, I would sacrifice my time. I was very devoted. Not until one day, they brought another artist on Sunday. All the songs I taught all those choir rather, they put it aside and chose the artist over me. Bukasara.
The songs you have been doing rehearsals to arrange.
Another shocking one. Before, mo máa ń ké tí wọ́n bá pè mí wá kọrin lórí stage. Àwọn tó mọ̀ mí.
In the church, have you?
Tí máa lọ Sele Church, tẹ́ pé wọ́n mọ̀ mí o, kì í ṣe pé wọ́n mọ̀ mí o. Wọ́n mọ̀ mí o.
Okay.
But tí máa dé bẹ́ẹ̀, tí máa ní àwọn èdè ìjọ bó ti ẹ̀ jẹ́ 5 minutes. Bó ti ẹ̀ jẹ́ ó yá 2 minutes. Mi ní pẹ́. Bó ti ẹ̀ jẹ́ orin mẹ́ta káwọn èèyàn náà fi lè gbọ́ mi. They won't call me o.
Why? But they know you sing.
Ògo wa ọ̀ṣà náà gbà yẹn. Wọ́n máa ń fojú wò mí bíi pé kí n máa ké. Ike tí n bá wá ké yẹn lèèyàn kan máa ń rí pé ọmọ yìí tó ń ké yìí gbé sórí stage kóhun náà kọrin. Tí má tiẹ̀ wá kọrin gan, mo lè máa kọrin lọ́wọ́ gan káwọn instrumentalist gbé lulẹ̀. Wọ́n ti ṣe fún mi dáadáa Ṣàgámù. Ó pẹ̀lú reason tí mo yẹ kúrò Ṣàgámù dé ní eléyìí táwọn èèyàn gan mọ reason mo yẹ kúrò Ṣàgámù. Nobody tó lé mi kúrò. Tí wọ́n fẹ́ padà sí Ṣàgámù léni, mo ní ground in Ṣàgámù dáadáa. Mo sì lè gain ground dáadáa. And then if I won't forget, I have a boss too. His name is Jide Bravo.
Okay.
They call him Jide Bravo in Ikene. This man is very, very amazing.
Wow.
Jide Bravo, he used to hear a lot of ti gbọ́ pé wọ́n focus Damilola rí. Aláwọn tó jẹ́ àwọn papis mi tí mo mú mọ́ra ní tó jẹ́ artist tí mo mú mọ́ra pé ẹ̀yin ni mo fẹ́ fi ṣe godfather mi. Èèyàn tó bá fẹ́ mi pé ó ready láti gbé mi tán, ó sọ fún pé ọmọ yẹn òbo ni o má dá lóhùn. Òun ìtí ò wà ní làǹkàyè á máa wò pé wọ́n sọ pé òbò nìyẹn á fún mi ní space.
Ta ló máa sọ pé wọ́n ti sọ pé òbò ni?
Ẹni tí tó bá fẹ́ mi níbí ó dàbí pé kí èèyàn sọ̀rọ̀ mi lójú aláyé ńsìn bí ọ̀gá mi kọ́gá mi wá sọ̀rọ̀ tí ò dáa nípa mi fún wọn. Báwo lọ yìí máa feel? They won't feel good because they will be like wọ́n máa ní òbò lọ́mọ yẹn kìnnìkan. Àìmọye tí mo ti gbọ́ even ní Ìbàdàn yìí tí mo wà yìí èmi ò gbọ́ nǹkan kan nínú fídíò tó ń trend gan èmi wọ́n ti gé mi létí lọ mi gbọ́ anything. Bó jẹ́ pé ká trend ni ká fi wèrè trend mi ò pààyàn mi ò jalè mi ò dọ́kọ̀ mi ò gbé nǹkan ní nǹkan ṣe bá ṣe ọmọ wọ̀.
Wait o because ó dà pé ẹ ká sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ìyẹn báyìí sìn.
Okay.
That video don trend yẹn inú studio lẹ ti ṣe.
Yes.
Actually when I saw the video my first intention is just to look at àwọn tó wà nínú video yẹn which I saw you and Kulubele. I was so happy that no. Thank God you are moving. But ìgbà tí mo wá stay like 5 minutes because me can really need time láti watch online stuff like that. And I noticed some comments and I noticed something people talking about your dress.
Yeah.
So tí mama bèrè kí ni nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ with that dress tí ó fi ń fa controversies online.
Well, the dress, it's not intentional and it is intentional.
Not intentional.
And it is intentional.
And it is intentional.
It is not intentional in the sense that I was not planning of going to the show actually.
Okay.
Because he informed me already, but he said it's not something big, that it doesn't really matter.
Okay.
So he said he has another program ahead that maybe both of us can collaborate together. So I was like, okay, fine, no problem.
Okay, not that one.
Not that one.
Okay.
So later on in the next morning, after our discussions, he now called me. Ṣé ẹ lè show ní Àkúté? Mo ní pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Ó ní kí n máa bọ̀ náà pé èèyàn kan fẹ́ rí mi pé ó fẹ́ request pé kí n wá.
Okay.
Which is Balo manager Sekodun.
Okay.
So studio Sekodun náà ni a lò lọ́jọ́ yẹn, studio Daddy Sekodun náà la lò lọ́jọ́ yẹn. So on getting there, me I just wear clothes normally. Mo wèrè mi kàn tiẹ̀ lọ flow the brain me because mi ní parọ́, like depression is just, I'm a victim. I've been depressed now for a long time. So I'm just trying to get myself.
You are depressed?
Yeah, till now. I can be happy, but in depth I'm not. I still cried last night. So for me to come...
Is it about what you're going through?
It's not even about what I'm going through. You know, life itself sucks. Life itself is very hard. But wetin man go do?
You be woman.
I be man.
You be man for it.
I be man.
You be man. You don't try.
See, if I'm not a man, say I want to act feminine, after been into a hookup for a long time. Like a mama shame let me bust you. That day, when I got to that show, I didn't even plan of showing to the camera because I literally volunteered myself that I want to back up for him. He's short of tenor singer. So I was not like, okay, let me help him. So I was at the stage. I was at the back of the stage of the camera rather.
Okay.
So I didn't show up just for people not to be like, and then he respected me. I did said I want to show. I want to stand as his backup singer.
Okay.
He was like, ọ̀gá mi ni yo, rárá mi ṣe yẹn o, mo dẹ̀ ṣe ke. Ó ní wá nípa kí n lọ dúró pé òun máa pass mic, and the microphone was actually long. So I was at the back of the camera. So later on when I was singing, tó ti fẹ́ parí, ó wá ní ọmọ nílé ajé ẹ máa bọ̀ náà, àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ ni pé àwọn ọmọ band ẹsẹ̀ like mi gan. So wọ́n ní pé kí n máa bọ̀ kí n wá kọrin. So when I got there, Kulubele's views was on, I think 70 something. When I got there, we're having close to 1.5k views. Sorry,
ìgbà tí Kulubele ń perform lọ́wọ́.
Yeah.
Èèyàn bíi 70-80
ló ń wò. Kí ni mo bọ́ síbẹ̀? And then out of those 1.5k views, 99.9 was 8 comments. So I was overwhelmed and scared. So
let's say, apart from the 80 something views, don't tell it. I want to have plus 1,000 plus in. So they came because of you.
You, because of me rather, or because it's not just because of what I'm singing.
Okay.
Because of what I was wearing.
Because cooking she ojo te ma ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ go live nìyẹn. Ẹ ti man go live tẹ́lẹ̀ te man go live
tẹ́lẹ̀. It's just because of what I was wearing. And that day, I had intentions of going to change to another clothes, but I just decided that ọ̀gbẹ́ni wèrè la fi máa wo wèrè lẹ́ni. Mo fẹ́ chase cloth. Wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ mọ̀ mí sẹ́.
Kò yé mi.
Yes, no. Mo fẹ́ lọ change aṣọ lọ́jọ́ yẹn.
Okay.
Mo dẹ̀ sọ fún pé kò need. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n lò bẹ́ẹ̀. Màá try. Wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ mọ̀ mí sẹ́. Kì í ṣe pé wọ́n mọ̀ mí o.
Okay.
Mímọ̀ èèyàn ti tó.
Okay, now let's get this point. What is your 100% mindset of wearing that clothes?
Just to catch fun.
Just to catch fun.
I wasn't like that. Anybody to buy mommy, they knows me. I have close to 15 of this style in my room.
Wow.
I went to my daddy's place. I took about 30 of his caps.
Wow.
So I have another caps, and I have a fashion designer who sews clothes for me. Fisayo clothing.
Okay, normally you don't dress like that.
I don't dress. I dress like a man. I'll be on my on my neck, ice on my neck, ice on my wrist.
Oh.
You don't get it. So that day I intentionally came.
Okay, like jẹ́ ti wo nǹkan táwọn
èèyàn máa sọ. Mo mọ̀ pé wọ́n máa sọ, àwọn mi máa sọ̀rọ̀ dáadáa, àwọn mi ò ní sọ̀rọ̀ dáadáa. But what I was expecting that day, a lot of my friends, a lot of people bashed me then. They came to ìkan lára àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi tó bully mi lọ́nà ẹ̀gán padà wá tọrọ sókè lọ́wọ́ mi láàárọ̀ àná.
Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ sókè.
Ìkan náà àwọn tí ó bash mi online
lórí
tó jọ rẹ̀ mi lórí
dress
fídíò yẹn ó padà tọrọ 2k lọ́wọ́ mi lánàá láàárọ̀ mo sì rántí. Èmi ò dẹ̀ jí mo dẹ̀ jí nǹkan tó yẹ pé mi ò care. And then there is this girl that I want to give let me say she's so amazing.
Okay.
Her name is Damilola. I was with her in Mowe.
Okay.
So when I showed her the video, she was like, Dami, this is your starting point. Don't even listen to them. She said, she used herself as an example. Only Wadugboy, a lot of people sọ pé ṣe lóṣó lòun ṣe, all because ọmọdé tóun máa lọ láàárọ̀ tóun máa dé lálẹ́. Only still on still, does that even stop her from not doing what she knows how to do? Only my dear, her name is Damilola. Wow. Like I'm giving this to her. She's an amazing person. She hasn't given birth, but she's passing through a lot. She's actually a victim too, because she's the kind of person that she always wants to be alone, and not just want to be alone. It's just because of what people has done to her. But when I move close to her, I know the kind of person she is. I know what she's capable of to do. Like me, they will say, I'm ọ̀rọ̀ pé olóṣó ni olóṣó kìnnìkan èmi ò tẹ̀ kí n dispute ẹ̀ náà mi kì í jiyàn lórí ẹ̀. Yes.
What do you think reason tí àwọn èèyàn fi máa pè yín ní olóṣó?
Dáàdì mi ó normal. Tẹ́ṣe wáyé.
Okay.
Tí ìyàwó yín bá rìn débì kan ó láwọn kẹ́yìn méjèèjì tó papọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run wá so yín pọ̀ ó máa láwọn wèrè kan tó máa ti lọ bá wọn lẹ́yìn gba ọkọ èèyàn kìíní kan ni ó dẹ̀ máa ti láwọn míì kan tó máa tún sọ̀rọ̀ ìyàwó yín fún torí pé wọn ò fẹ́ kí connection yín yẹn kó papọ̀. Let me now tell you something. 100% of guys on social media, most of them including artists, they want to knack me. So tó bá ti wá réyàn tó serious pẹ̀lú mi tó fẹ́ change mi pé ṣé o pé Sátánì ní agbára kò ní gbàlà ni. Àwọn ló máa wá lò as instrument. Èmi ti lọ sọ fún yàn pé ọmọ yẹn ò bo ni o.
Èmi tí o ti fọwọ́ kàn yín rí.
Tí o fọwọ́ kàn mí rí. Mo pé èmi tí mo pè lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ mo ní ace alpha. Ìgbà wo ló dó mi rí nínú yàrá wo? Níjọ́ wo nígbà wo style wo mo ṣe? Mo dẹ̀ sọ́tọ̀ mo dẹ̀ fi pele fún. Ìmí ìṣọmọ kékeré at the age of 33.
Wow.
Yes, by December 17 of this year, I'll be 33 years old.
For real?
Yes, for real. Kí o wá sọ pé kí o wá ká ọkọ mọ́ mi dìkú kó máa sọ kí máa parọ́ fún ẹ pé ṣùkú àgbàdo ni over my dead body. I will say what I do. I'm not a kid. Má sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́ lè máa sọ. Kò sọ̀rọ̀ èmi akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ lójú ọ̀rọ̀ tó lọ́wọ́ bá gbọ́. Pátá parí apá mi tó bá dẹ̀ pa mí lẹ́ẹ̀kan tí mi bá kú ikú pa. Mo lè má sọ̀kọ́ pé a lot of people they came to me and said, Dami o dẹ̀ tẹsẹ̀ lébọ̀ kí wọn náà lè arrive. Mo ní no.
No, I don't get that point.
Àrẹ? Kí n level kí lọ ṣe level kí n wéṣẹ́. Kó jẹ́ṣẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ mi ò lè wẹ̀ kó ṣiṣẹ́ láéláé. Tí má ra bàṣà nǹkan tí mo ní ìdí náà ju Miss Paris inú ẹ̀.
Sorry, do you smoke?
I don't. I've never tasted smoke, including alcohol.
You don't drink alcohol? You don't
drink.
Smoke?
I don't drink. I've said a million times. It's not part of me.
And you get this jangbana?
I'm crazy naturally.
Wow.
Be money.
Ṣé téèyàn bá ní àwọn crazy part kan ní life yẹn ṣé ó máa affect èèyàn ni?
Hey, blood of Jesus. Let me cut this short, bro. There was this time like that. As I said the other time, I said I'm a single mom. There was one time like that. I was very morindigan. The one pé mo ponu, mo dode. Me dey dode torí anything. Mo gbé pride le torí pé I was very desperate to have a man.
Okay.
So then I would date this, all because I was desperate and low. And then reason I wanted that was all because I don't want my child, my kids to feel like they don't have a father. So I date this one. At some point I was like, "Let me show you how we do." Ele yawa pe ekini kebe okeji kebe. To ma di eleketa di kebe lórí elebe na. Àwọn people yìí wọ́n lè fún wàrà, wọ́n máa dá wàrà ẹnu ni.
They just come to use you.
Bí ìdí bá dé bàjẹ́ tó nídìí ló máa dà. Tẹ́lẹ̀ mi mo bó ṣe ń sọ no. Reason tí mi lè ṣe mo bó ṣe ń sọ no ni pé tí bá sọ no báwo làwọn ọmọ mi ṣe máa jẹun.
Ọmọ mélòó?
I have 2 kids.
For real?
Yes, for real.
Without father?
Yeah. Father ke. mo dá sanwó school àwọn méjèèjì owó school ti báyìí tí mo ṣe wà igan mo ń wọ́wọ́ school nothing less than 250,000 naira àtowó school àtowó báàgì wọn dẹ̀ bí mẹ́rin mi dá kí n má rí tí ẹjọ́ tí ọkùnrin kan bá wá pè mí pé ẹ̀ ló dá mi o wá sílé mi mo fẹ́ fún ẹ 100k ẹjọ́ torí ọlọ́mi ní fáìlì òbò mi lẹ́nu mo ń lọ ní ASAP pé mo fẹ́ rí pé bí wọ́n ṣe ń sọ pé bí mo ṣe rí ni mo wá ṣe àrè wọ́n pọ̀ dáadáa. Even diaspora people, they come to my DM and I want to date you. At the long run, they'll be asking me for camera down. Èmi máa ń gbé wọn ṣépè ni. Ṣé mo pé kò take me ní seconds láti ṣe ṣebí láti ṣe báyìí ni. Má ṣe as fast as owó bá máa yọ. But at some point I think, I didn't mean it was before I will because I was very desperate to make it. I'm striving hard. I can say I am the hard work. Like a very strong woman on earth. Likewise, my mom. That woman, she's a legend. Let me give the kudos to her. Yeah, Dami. She can be cranky sometimes. That's her parent for you. My mom can start her, and I didn't blame her. It's just out of frustration. She has a lot of friends that their children has made it. And one more time, bury life. I can say a lot of my friends that most of them are not in Nigeria.
Wow.
But my mom, she has one thing that she's an Aries. Aries people are so selfish. That's who they are. You can't change them. Aries people are so selfish, self-centered. They don't want to think about anybody's. Oh, wow, okay. Can't chat, wow, okay. That's kind of the person my mom is. But quote me, she's the sweetest human being on it. She's the real gem I would ever meet in my life, including my dad. My dad, Táyé lolú èjìrẹ́. Wíníwíní lójú orogún èjìwọ́ lójú ìyá ọkàn bá bí èjìwọlé tọ́ mi bú mi kí n bá ọ̀rẹ́ lékì mi kí n padà lẹ́yìn. Ó wálé alákìsá ọ̀sà alákìsá do nígbà aṣọ. Ọmọ mátì ìlú kò fún rẹ̀. Ọmọ wà lẹ́fọ̀ ọmọ wà lé lọ́mọ ilé ìrún wọn ṣòdì mọ́sàn-án agbára double. That's my dad. This man tried a lot for me. Till now. But the master kan, èèyàn kan ó threatening mi ní TikTok lọ́jọ́ kan. He came to my comment section. He started trolling me, saying a lot of shit. And I took his picture. I put this song going to trend. Oh, le. Or phone, go and check my pages there. Alokolo nkigbe. Birindi oke o jaguda. Ó wá díẹ̀ mi padà bẹ̀bẹ̀ ní kí n jọ kí máa delete ẹ̀ family òun rí fídíò yẹn pé wọ́n béèrè lọ́wọ́ òun pé kí lòun ṣe. Daily mi delete ẹ̀. Nǹkan tó mú ẹ wá sí DM obìnrin. Kó wá máa troll tí ẹ ti bàjẹ́ ni.
I don't understand. Ṣé ó ní nǹkan kan pẹ̀.
Bí ọmọ yẹ́ ẹ̀rí fa. You just came to my day. Tó bá jẹ́ pé bí obìnrin. Màá wò pé làǹkàyè kúrú and you've never been there.
Kí ni nǹkan tó lè ṣe?
Léṣù pé kí ni mo ti ẹ̀ ṣe ná? Kí ni mo ṣe? Okay, there was one of this my boss trending video that I put on one skimpy dress like that.
Okay.
I deliberately put it on.
Okay.
I want to chase clouds. I'll do anything. Mi lè pààyàn, mi lè jalè. I'll do anything for myself to be happy. I used to say something. I said, I prefer to be happy than to make people happy.
You prefer to be
happy? To make myself happy. Because if you leave yourself and please people, and when you to please yẹn, trust me, they will on my back, on my kúrò lẹ́yìn ASAP. Tó máa sọ fún ẹ pé àwọn ọmọ ẹ rí àwọn ọ̀ràn ẹ. Wọ́n ọ̀ràn ẹ nìyẹn. And then if you give these people this time or the space to bully you, person go just kill himself or herself. Ó máa dàbí kéèyàn kú fọ́tàyọ̀ ni. Sherry, kò sẹ́ni tó fẹ́ ká yó.
Kò sẹ́ni tó fẹ́ ká yó.
Kò sí sẹ́.
Kò sẹ́ni tó fẹ́ kéèyàn ṣe oríire.
Kò sí. Sherry, àwọn tó tún wá ṣe oríire yẹn, ó tún máa láwọn kan tó tún máa wà ní kọ́nà tí wọ́n máa ń rárá ilé olóṣì mà ni, ó ti ṣògùn owó. Nígbà tó ń wọ léèsì lórí àǹkàrà, ń bo lọ́wà. Èmi tẹ́ bá dé múlẹ́rọ́ ní Agége, ìyá Samuel mi pé méjì bread Agége mò ń ta.
Ṣé ni ìyá Samuel?
Èmi ni ìyá Samuel my brother. Mò ń ta bread, mo gbọ́dọ̀ ti jí lọ bakery lágo 4. Mo dúdú, mo ṣì, mo gbẹ. Nobody sees me then. I could remember one day I mo ṣe kan bọ̀ mi sẹ́yìn mo sùn wájú ṣọ́ọ̀bù tá pọ̀ níbọ̀jú. Nobody saw me. Mom sì bí kan ọ̀bọ̀ mi ìdílé sọ fún mi. Mo sọ́ra mi nù. Sadly, for the 7 years. Me relay, mom see me got at some point. My mom got sick. She was like, Wale, Monia, Tibai Pekin Wale ni. Matiwa, okay, because most of my families they has money. Tebangba Moloko Biagba, mom see me ni. Grandpa mi loloko, lecturer ni grandma mi, Mrs. Oloko, ni Taishola and Investor of Education. I want to buy more mama. She has money, but I'm a kind of person that me I hate familiarity. If I move close to you, at some point I will get tired of you. I'm a Sagittarian. It's my blood. And commented to sue me. I don't want to be choked. I love my freedom. That was the reason I left the house. I'm a graduate.
Wow.
Yeah. I left the house. I was lost. I was staying in a guy's house then. This guy would beat the hell fucking out of me. Like he would beat me. But in the day I gave birth to my second born, I gave birth to him in Songo. I want to buy more scenario. I gave birth to him in Songo. Ni ọjà Songo lálẹ́. Mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ láti show ni. Kí ni mo fẹ́ jẹ tí n bá lọ show? Pẹ̀lú oyún nú. Mo lọ show mo ń bọ̀ padà. Mo wá mú mi. There was this guy, his name is Damilola. He doesn't kò mọ̀ mi rí. Hospital tó wà wájú ilé ẹ̀ ló gbé mi lọ. Imam ló máa ń porúkọ máyẹn ṣàgbẹ̀bí mi. It was very tough mi rẹ́rọ ọmọ kò sówó kò sẹ́lítì mo pé bàbá ọmọ mi gan kò gbé kọ́. Mo ṣáà rọjú bàbá yẹn ṣáà try. Lọ́spítù yẹn ó ní woman kan tó bímọ lọ́spítù yẹn tí ọmọ ẹ̀ ò sí ẹrù ọmọ yẹn. Àwọn dókítà yẹn ṣáà lọ bẹ̀ wọ́n pé anything tí wọ́n bá lè fún mi nínú ẹ̀. The woman said kí lóun tún fẹ́ ṣe ìkúnlẹ̀ orí kẹta tí ó dúró pé everything kí n kó orúkọ àti Yétúndé àti tíṣà fún mi ní nǹkan yẹn wọ́n ní kí n gba nọ́mbà àwọn pé ní títí bá ti need for the meantime kí n jẹ́ káwọn ọmọ pé because àwọn ti down gan operation dẹ̀ ni wọ́n fi bímọ and then gbogbo ìkúnlẹ̀ méjèèjì tí mo ní it was successful. I gave birth to them myself.
Wow.
Mẹ́ta gan ló bá jẹ́ mẹ́ta. Oh no, ó lẹ́kẹ̀ẹ́ kó má jẹ mẹ́ta because ìtí mo bí kí n tó bí second born mi yìí ó ṣaláìsí ni. Then mo ṣì wà ní church kan Way of Peace Parish lọ́dọ̀ olùṣọ́ Ihe Adégòkè. And then I want to thank his wife, Mommy Ayo. She stood by me. She gave me everything a mother should give a daughter. She took me in. I stayed in the church.
Sorry, there's something curious in this. The father.
Oh yeah, like this now my child is in this place and I'm sure that over timber 5K ló máa fún. Oh mọ́tò. Ìyẹn tún kọ́. Oh yeah, let me now tell you something. As at then, I have this mindset that tọkùnrin ò bá fún mi ní wà okay.
Oh.
Not that people feel like, but it's just something that I'm used to. I was like, okay, I can't do without men. I was very desperate. Any relationship, I'll date them. Within 2 months, 3 months, they will leave. They meet here, so for me, I miss you. I miss you too. Honey, do you know what I miss? What? Your pussy. But still on still. I continued. But you know, I have this thinking one day. That was 30 years ago. Nobody knows. But I decided to say it out today.
Wow.
I decided that I won't do men. I would rather do girls. And girls pays me more than men.
For real?
I'm telling you. I used to say it before. I was like, I don't like men. Even though I want to like men, it's just maybe like bisexual. Like I want to have the taste of men and women. Ọkùnrin tí máa lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ ẹni tí mo date tí máa dé máa lọ tí máa fún ní 2005.
Ní ọkùnrin.
15 ọ̀hún gan máa fi gbọ́kàdà tán. Àbí kébì kan tún pè mí I need this kí n tún fún lówó mi. Màá tún fún lówó mi tán. Màá tún padà máa rí another thing. I'm not saying it. Not everybody will like somebody. Not everybody. èmi máa ń sọ kọ̀ọ̀kan tó bá fẹ́ like mi dúró no matter what téèyàn bá sọ fún ẹ if you truly like me you won't leave. No matter what tí wọn kódà kó sọ pé wọ́n ká mọ́ mi tí wọ́n bá tí ì ká mi don't conclude.
ẹni téèyàn bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ tó bá ká gan
ó ní bó ṣe máa ń dùlẹ̀.
ó yẹ kó máa bá inú nǹkan báyìí.
èmi àti Dami ẹ wo tí bá débi kan ọmọ fojú olóṣòwò mi ni ọmọ yẹn olóṣò ni ọmọ wo nìyẹn ẹwẹ fílẹ̀ jàre. But there was this guy too I wanted to thank. They used to call him Damilola Moyalaje. Àti MC Freedom.
Yeah.
Did you know MC Freedom?
Yeah, I know him.
MC Freedom took me in then. Mo máa ń shoot content pẹ̀lú wọn. Somebody now called Dami pé ọmọ tẹ́mú tìrá yẹn ọmọ olóṣòwò ni. Dami kan pè mí ó kàn pè mí Damilola kan pè mí ní Dami come to Elebu. Mo débẹ̀ ó wá pè mí sínú yàrá ni. Not everyone likes you. But you need to strive hard to prove them wrong. I might have some bad past. It's normal. Nobody tí ó ní. But I thank God. I give thanks to God that where I am today, I wasn't expecting it. It was. But why am I to blame God? Bí Ọlọ́run ṣe ń ṣọlá. Tó bá yẹ pé kí n ti lọ ní industry màá ti fi òbòjágun ti pẹ́ ó kéré gan ṣe bí kásùn káyọ̀ ni káfíńsì káyọ̀ kò dẹ̀ ká mítà kò dẹ̀ sí stíkà tó máa lẹ̀ mọ́. Get point mi kò sí stíkà tá máa lẹ̀ mọ́ tó máa fi mọ̀ pé nǹkan kan ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ jáde ń bẹ̀ ni. But when you are obìnrin gan máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ mi lẹ́yìn. So èmi ò rí pé nǹkan kan tó ṣe kinní kan wà ńbẹ̀.
Sorry because this must you are curious because a lot of people would like to know more about this particular the father àwọn bàbá ọmọ méjèèjì ṣé wọ́n ṣì wà lórí ilé alààyè.
Gbélé ayé.
Is it one person?
Yes, let me say yes.
Okay. Why is he now not taking his responsibility? Are you the one that said you don't want?
I love him. And in the next 2 years, I was not saying that we won't be together.
Okay.
Dami has 3 wives after I left. Before I leave, we are 2 at the same time. Mo wá sọ point kan fún ọmọ mi.
Is it legal wife?
Legal ke. Àbò kan fún lóyún. Ó fún lóyún wọ́n ríra wọn he wọ́n dẹ̀ fún lóyún àwọn parents ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ní àwọn lè wà kọ́ máa wọ́n gbalé fún ìyàwó níta kábàbọ̀ family house. Tí mi bá sùn Dami á sùn sáàrin Dami lòun náà já sùn sáàrin èmi á sùn sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ìyàwó á sùn sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kọ́ máa náà kí ara wọn máa kọjú sára ògiri máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ké. Àrí.
At the age of what lẹ́ni yẹn máa kò yé mi.
Ẹ wo my brother.
Ọmọ you don see o.
Ewé. Ọkùnrin ti lé mi dànù ta sí tarí lágo 12 òru kí n get the fuck kúrò nílé òun torí girlfriend ẹ̀ wà around. Láti ìgbà tí mo ti ń date mi ò ń ṣe first priority ọkùnrin rí. Pé kọkùnrin gbé mi sórí. Favourite mi. Àbí kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ obìnrin wà wálé gan kó rí traces mi kó tẹ̀ sọ pé she's my girlfriend. Ìgbà tó yá mo tún wò pé àbí ṣé torí mo proud sọkùnrin ni mo tún bring myself down. Kò sí kó jẹ́ friendship mo máa jí àwọn tí mo ti pray fún ní aago 12 torí pé mò ń gbàwẹ̀ yìí tí mo ti pray fún láago 12 tó wà lórí DM tí mo ti pray fún dáadáa láàárọ̀ yìí wọ́n ṣì wà ń bẹ̀ tí mo ti pray fún they are there wọ́n máa testify sí ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ yìí even if you are my friend I will pray for you. Bíbélì gan sọ ní èmi mo mọ àwọn tèmi sì mọ̀ mí àwọn míì wà tó máa ń correct mi pẹ̀lú ìfẹ́ àwọn míì dẹ̀ wà tó máa ṣe ojú ayé correct mi tán tún padà dẹ́yìn lọ bà mí jẹ́. Mi ò ní choice wọ́n ní pé ohun tójú ọmọ ológo bá rí o nítorí ògo ní kò sọ ọmọ ológo tí ò lógun ọmọ ológo tó tún bá wá lógun tó bá tún mọ̀ jájà ni o tó bá tún mọ̀ jájà tó bá tún borí ogun tí ò bógun lọ ni o ṣé rí bí tèmi dẹ̀ mi ti jagun mólú kò sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ẹ̀
100
mi ìfẹ́ mọ̀ ṣé ogun ọkùnrin ni àbí ogun ìsọ̀rọ̀ ènìyàn lẹ́yìn torí ẹ̀mí ọ̀rọ̀ tó tiẹ̀ ń sọ òtí ẹ̀bẹ́ mi lé gbogbo tó jack shit létí tèmi kò tiẹ̀ lọ fà because I'm seeing that this is unnecessary.
Okay, let's talk about the comments people are throwing about that trending video.
Okay.
Kí ni ẹ̀kọ́ tó fún yín ṣé ó fún yín pé ẹ̀ ń ríra yín bí ẹni pé nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe ò dá ni?
Rárá mi ò feel guilty.
For real?
I'm just starting.
Wọ́n ṣe ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú wọn ni.
mo ṣe fẹ́ máa tajà báyìí ni ọmọ elépo ni mi máa tún gò mí fọ.
Kò yé mi ọjà àzá o.
Nà.
Ṣé wọ́n ní ẹ̀ ń ta ọjà ni?
Nà always na way.
Okay. Okay, wọ́n sọ pé ẹ̀ ń polówó.
Where to get selling point ni.
Okay, àwọn tó dẹ̀ ti máa ń pè yín ní pé olóṣèlú tẹ́lẹ̀ tó wá tún rí yín lórí ọmọ yẹn ni ó ń polówó ọjà ni.
Àyè rí pé mo máa ń wà ní Shoprite lálálẹ́ ni máa ń dúró síbẹ̀ lálálẹ́ máa ń tajà. Human beings ṣe bàbá wa òbí ti kọrin pé kò ságbọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ dá kò sí wá tẹ́lẹ̀ wò kò sọ́nà tẹ́lẹ̀ mú tẹ́lẹ̀ fi táyé lọ́rùn wò ilé ayé fúngbà díẹ̀ ni ọmọ aráyé ẹ ṣe o bí n bá ṣe rere tí n bá rìn wòwò rere mo ṣe. Ẹ lọ wo àwọn wèrè tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn o mi ò sọ̀rí láti pè wọ́n wèrè because wèrè ní lọ́dọ̀ tèmi báwo lọmọ ènìyàn ẹran lèmi rò pé ó lè pe ọmọ làkejì ẹ̀ ní ọmọ òfò ẹran ní àwòrán èèyàn ló máa wọ ọmọ làkejì ẹ̀ tó máa sọ èpè bí kémi sọ pé iná àwọn ọmọ òun máa kú lójú ẹ̀mí òun èpè ńláńlá ni ẹran lèmi dẹ̀ tún máa rí tó máa rí ìgòkè ọmọlàkejì ẹ̀ tí ò lè pe ọmọlàkejì ẹ̀ kó kí n tiẹ̀ máa ṣìnà tó tọ́ pé yes this thing I did normally I felt guilty at one point but when it comes to some point I was like are you mad why are you feeling guilty na dem buy you clothes then they feed you. I'm saying this including my boss I've never gone to my boss DM pé ẹjọ ọ̀gá ẹ̀dẹ̀ fún rárá mo proud nípa rárá I can't do that ọba fún mi lówó ṣògan mi kí n kà makusapo ni mo lọ ń tèmi yẹn.
Wow.
I won't do that mi ò ń bá wọn jà lórí pé owó tó ṣe gbàtẹ́ pé is what I have passion for. And then nǹkan tí mò ń gain lára wọn ó ju owó tí mò ń gbà lọ. True wọn lọ ṣe mọ̀ mí díẹ̀ náà dó wọn lè ti mọ̀ mí tẹ́lẹ̀ but true wọn lèmi ṣe get fame tèmi dè ní mi ò dẹ̀ ṣọ́ọ̀bù ò lè parẹ́ láláì anywhere tí n bá lọ ọmọ nílé ajé ni ọ̀gá fúnra ọgàn lè sá fún mi because mo ti dì mọ́ Ọlọ́run báyìí àjọ ń lọ ni mi ì fẹ́ mọ ibi tó bá fẹ́ wọ̀ kí wọ́n sọ pé kí n má ṣe báǹdì àwọn mọ́ mi ì fẹ́ mọ ibi tó ṣàfẹ́ wọ̀ àjọ ń lọ ni mi ì fẹ́ èmi wọ́n ti drag èmi lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀gá mo lè jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé tó bá pé wá wọn ò lè pé lọ ṣé mo pé ọ̀tọ̀ ni pé kí èèyàn jẹ́ ọ̀gá kó má dáa ọ̀tọ̀ ni kí èèyàn tún jẹ́ ọ̀gá kó tún dáa ọ̀gá dáa.
Wow.
mi ò ní gbogbo last year èmi ò ráyè mo ṣépè fún wọn o mo ní pé àgọ́tẹ̀ ṣe lẹ́yìn kọ́nsáàtì wa inú bí mi mo rèkì fọ́gà mo sọ̀rọ̀ sí wọn gan kódà gan mo ní ẹ ṣe kúrò ń báǹdì mi wá jẹ́ kúrò láyé ni mo lè lock up mo delete wọn dànù mo block everybody mo yọra mi kúrò ní group fúnra ọ̀gá ló pè mí mo ṣàkànjí láàárọ̀ ọjọ́ kí mo kọ rí 5 miss call 2 miss call voice call 3 miss call video call mi dẹ̀ pè wọ́n padà ìwọ ti lówó sìn mo mọ̀ pé ọ̀gá kan jẹ́ tó jẹ́ pé onínú fùfù ni wọ́n máa sáré bínú àní bínú wọn yẹn tó bá ti mọ̀ wọ́n rò pé bó ṣe máa ṣe pé ó proud no.
next summer was baba ti calm down
ó ti lọ nìyẹn òṣàdìdì máa ń pè mí Dami ṣé ẹni tó máa ń pè most every time Dami báwo ni níbo ló tún wà ń sìn because àmọ̀ pàjálà ní ìwọ máa ọ̀gá mu wá níbi bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ẹ rí ṣàrora ayé ti lé ń sìn kọ́gà tó lè máa sọ yẹn fún yàn.
ọ̀rọ̀ tí ìyá ẹlòmíì gan sọ fún
ẹlòmíì gan máa tún lọ bọ́gà ọ̀gá máa tún pè mí pé Dami mo gbọ́ nǹkan báyìí báyìí o tó bá jẹ́ pé tòótọ́ ni change o tó bá jẹ́ pé kì í ṣe tòótọ́ still change because àárí òfẹ́ ni fọ́rọ̀ àfòyé ni. ìgbà tó tún yá tí mo lọ change orúkọ mi sọmọ nílé ajé mo rí pé inú wọn dùn mi ò dẹ̀ ready láti change ẹ̀ for life ni ẹ bá ń gbọ́ pé tag we dey here together we gather there no going area.
All those among those bad comments you are seeing, àwọn ọmọlòmí máa wà ń bẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n súnmọ́ yín o.
Àwọn olè gbé wiri ọ̀fọ́n alọ́kọ́lọ́ kí gbé pọ̀ ń bẹ̀. Èmi tó tiẹ̀ súnmọ́ mi gan tó padà wọ́ DM hello pretty kọ́kọ́ gbé ìyẹn ṣe pé nù. Èmi lè hello pretty, it's not even nice meeting you.
Sorry, I don't get. O ti kọ́kọ́ throw bad comments.
Ó ti jọ comment ẹ̀ wá lórí fún mi, mo screenshot ẹ̀ ni.
Ó wá tún wá padà wá DM.
Hello
pretty. Ó fẹ́ wá toast.
Òbò ọ̀fẹ́ ló wọ́ tí o pé mo cheap náà ni. Nǹkan tó rí lọ́ fi wọlé.
Nǹkan tó rí náà fi
you get it. My smile ma ni Dami irọ́ ló ń pa fún mi sẹ́ o ti bímọ. Ó kàn fẹ́ fi lé mi lọ ni. Mo ní Ọlọ́run sẹ́ mo ti bímọ. But mi kò síbi tí n bá dé o tí mi kì í sọ pé mo ti bímọ o. Tó bá máa dúró ló máa dúró. Báwo kò fẹ́ lọ kókó ṣì dànù. Òṣàbòyè gbè mí. Ṣé ń bóyá bá mi? Má wà ní mi lára. Tó bá sọ pé àwọn kò fẹ́ ní nice time kò bá kó díjà. Tí bá máa ṣe bí n bá dẹ̀ ṣe. Ṣe fini kò ní kálukú ṣe kíni kó máa wà lórí ọwọ́.
Tí ẹ bá rí bad comment, okay, let's say like nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí, the trending video, let's make it as an example. Tí ẹ bá rí bad comment, báwo lẹ ṣe ń respond sí wọn?
Well, ìkan tó tiẹ̀ péré ẹ̀ ní ọmọ òfò, mo kàn ní thanks sir. Ìkan sọ síbẹ̀.
Sorry, a human being.
Human being ni ẹran ni ẹ má pọ̀ òun ní human being.
Okay, ẹran ni wọ́n.
Yes, animal in human form. Ìkan tiẹ̀ sọ from hookup to ministration. Mo ní thanks sir.
Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ń jẹ́ church ni?
Mo ní thanks sir. Mo wá ní àpé well, how do you feel when you type this? Mo ní anyways, it's not your fault. I really do appreciate. We don't see you. We don't notice you. Come they go. The next thing he said, no vex. Now me put my mouth for waiting no concern me. Oh, they delete it, commenting. Say fini. You can't hear sorrow. She be now OS she be. Money thank you.
You know jẹ́ OS?
Oscro Olosho.
Oscro?
OS. Olosho ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Okay.
So boy, sorry, money thank you. You can't tell me you supposed not wear clothes, you supposed wear pants. You know quickly talky. No worry, next time na pants I go wear. Na only pants I go wear.
Sorry o, ká má bàa ṣe àwọn aráalé. Ṣé ìrínisí tí wọ́n rí nínú fídíò yẹn, kí lẹ̀yin rò pé intention wọn tí wọ́n fi ń try láti fẹ́ máa correcting? Ṣé kí ẹ lè ṣe dress yín ó ń pollute àwọn èèyàn ni?
Pollute kẹ̀. Ẹbí wọn ẹbí àwọn aráalé ń bí àwọn rí irun òbò mi ta. Mo wọ ṣòkòtò náà, mo padded lórí mo pọn dára.
Because nǹkan tó máa ń ya èmi lẹ́nu ni pé most àwọn tí wọ́n máa ń throw bad comment lórí dress èèyàn àbí look èèyàn nígbà mi.
Ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa parọ́ tanra wa. I am not tagging myself as a lady evangelist. Get it straight. I'm not saying I'm a lady evangelist. Okay, lady evangelist pẹ̀lẹ́ owó ẹyọ. Ẹyọwó lọ́rùn ẹyọwó lẹ́sẹ̀.
Azao.
Ní wrist, àìsàn my wrist, àìsàn my neck. Mo tún tò sírun. Ó wá rò pé mi lady evangelist. Kí àwọn churches náà kó stop láti máa pe àwọn Fuji musicians sí church.
Kò yé mi, church máa ń pe Fuji musicians.
Àyùwà Nìzàzú tó lọ sí sẹ̀lẹ̀ ńkọ́. See this thing àti là tí àwọn churches yóò bá stop habit of promoting it, we'll keep having problems. Because in the first place, you see that I am not a gospel singer. Okay. You want to use me to bring people to your concert. You will invite me now because that was what people want. You got that they dancing just to chase clout.
Even including
churches.
One why
they want it. They want Kero Shakonsha on.
Àwọn fancy àwọn ẹni yìí kan wá.
Ṣé pàṣọ ń lọ sí church program now? Saheed Òṣùpá gan lọ sí Kore. A lot of them.
Kí ni intention wọn tó fi ń gbé Fuji wá sí church?
Torí ẹ̀ lè ṣe máa ń rí pé àwọn gospel singer bíi máa ń yà bàrà sí Fuji. Go and check it. Lọ́ ṣe máa ń kọtùn gbà. Wọ́n ní bẹ́ẹ̀ gbọ́sùn ìbí àwọn ìwọ tó kàn dórí stage tó kọ ó ṣé Olúwa ìfẹ́ rẹ̀ sí wa ó pọ̀ ó ṣé Olúwa máa wẹ̀ bí dìdì náà máa sọ fún ẹ wọ́n máa lọ sọ fún MC pé ẹ cut ẹ lélẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ wọ́n tó bá fi lè dé orí sè ó dáná wèrè láfi wo wèrè ó bá olùṣàgùtàn mi tó máa dìde tó máa kíní kan. Why are we doing that? Ṣé rí àwa tá a bá yà bàrà tá a kúrò ní gospel line tá à ń kọ Fuji tá à ń kọ tùǹgbà it's not our fault. Fine, there is grace. Ibi tó ní kálukú dẹ̀ ní strength sí tó good sí ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀. Let's give this example. Ayin Isegini, that one today inside gospel. What they do, they call you show my brother, Modano. That one today inside gospel songs.
Even you thought you're common, you are you
understand? Sherry, where G melody mo gbe fún yín o ìbáyín twale. Bọ̀dá Gbénga, wèrè la fi wo wèrè tó mo ṣe mo reason orin yẹn ni. Èmi gangan lórin yẹn bá wí. Mi ò lè sá lọ fẹ́ni kankan ní ilẹ̀ yìí o, ibi tó bá gbà lájọ máa gbà, ibi tó bá lọ lájọ lọ. Wèrè la fi wo wèrè. Wọ́n ti gé tì mí lọ ti pẹ́.
Ṣé tẹ́ ẹ máa fẹ́ make ẹ o gbọ́dọ̀ fi wèrè.
Àrèkà kódà wèrè gidi ni o.
Nǹkan tí mo fi dispute nǹkan tẹ́ sọ ni pé different churches kan tí mo ti rí nsìn ó máa ń lu kúlúbìlì. Máa ń wọ́n dà pé inú church. What is the meaning? And tó bá dẹ̀ kó bá every member everybody ma.
Sherry,
why bringing that to church?
A lot of people want something evoke. Nǹkan tí ayé bá ṣe, Sherry wọ́n máa sọ pé once you are in Rome, you act like a Roman. Tí o bá débì kan tó wá atmosphere torí pé ń kọrin Ọlọ́run àgbáyé, ìwọ náà bá wọn kọ Ọlọ́run àgbáyé torí pé olórin kìíní orí kejì orí kẹta olórin kẹrin celestialism ló ń kọ celestialism because nǹkan tó like ní atmosphere yẹn ni. Wọ́n tó bá ti kọ́kọ́ dé tó ti rí lórí ọ̀lẹ́ wọn ṣe ká kéré wà lálẹ́ ọjọ́ yẹn níbo ló sùn bọ́bọ́ tó bá lọ kọ Ọlọ́run àgbáyé rubbish ló kọ o.
Àwọn yẹn máa jáde síta ni.
Àwọn members èmi tún máa wá sọ sí elétí cause I I've been there before.
I don't know ṣe inú church.
They play concert là ń ṣe wọ́n máa sọ fún yín pé concert là ń ṣe kódà nínú church program gan ẹ máa rí tán ó tiẹ̀ lórin kan tí wọ́n máa ń kọ gan tán tàrà change láti gbogbo orin máa rántí tó bá atmosphere lórin because àtajá àtẹrun ló ń wá church sí. Church lè tóbi èèyàn kan péré ló lẹ́sìn inú wọn kérò tó 1 million tá bá máa fi ráwọn tó lẹ́sìn wọn ò lè ju èèyàn kan lọ.
Sorry.
That is the reason I always be like, what do people want? Sir, tó bá pé njọ́ tí wọ́n throw mi, tí má jẹ́ ẹni tí ò lọ́kàn, tí ò le, tí ò lẹ́mi wàhálà. Ṣé mo pé máa para mi? I thought about it.
Bad comment yẹn pọ̀ gan ni.
Funnest part, video tí Ayeni post ní 3 days ago tí 100k views. Ní 100%, 99.9 èpè àti 8 comments ló wà mí. Mo check ẹ̀. Mo kọ́ lọ́kọ̀. Ó tiẹ̀ ní olùṣọ́ kan tó wà ń bẹ̀ tó pe àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ lọ́mọ òfò. Ó ní àwọn ọmọ àdánù. Bíbélì tó ní touch not my anointed. Ṣé mo bí èmi gan wà anointed? Ṣé mo rú spirit ẹ̀ǹkan lọ́dún ni máa fún yàn message tí máa fún ẹ message lẹ́ẹ̀kan lọ́dún yẹn.
Ẹni wòlíì lẹ́nu.
Yes.
Ṣé bóyá kó fẹ́ mi wò pé
ṣé ọmọ. Kó tiẹ̀ pè mí pé àkótẹ̀ wá díẹ̀ mi dámì nǹkan tẹ̀lé wá wọ̀ yẹn kò bójúmu àsọmọ Ọlọ́run nínú sẹ̀lẹ̀ ṣẹ́rí tó tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ mú wèrè yóò máa ṣe bí wèrè ni. Bíbélì gan ó ní kẹ́ pé wọ́n wá sọ́dọ̀ mi wọ́n ní ẹ lé wọn dànù. Tí mo bá fẹ́ gba Jésù ní olùgbàlà àti ọba mi kò ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń sọ yẹn ni màá ṣe gbà because màmá wò pé ẹ ti fẹ́ pèsè mi already kí wá ní essence.
Ẹ rí mi nínú ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ gbà mí ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ tún ṣépè fún mi
ẹ tún ṣépè fún mi ẹ tún lé mi bọ́dé
tó yẹ kẹ́ gbà mí.
mo ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni a ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ wa ní kílẹ̀ tí ì rí.
Ọ̀daràn.
mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ kílẹ̀ tí ì rí o mo ṣe àwọn gáwọn yẹn bá gan pọ̀ ní àwọn àbúrò mi lónìí èmi kọ́ mo ní máa lọ́wọ́ èmi kọ́ mo ní ẹ̀ lè bá rú dírẹ́sì bẹ́ẹ̀ nínú aṣọ mi àwọn aṣọ tẹ bá ti rí tí mo wọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ àbúrò mi lónìí èmi kọ́ mo ní èmi náà kọ́ fẹ́ fi fílà mọ́ gìnì kínú mi dùn nínú ẹ̀dẹ́ ẹ̀dùn bí mo ṣe ń wọṣọ ẹ̀.
wọ́n dẹ̀ ti wá jẹ́ kẹ́rí platform báyìí.
ẹ gẹ́ tí ó ti yé yín bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn tí mo ṣe wáyé ìtí mo fẹ́ wọ̀ next tẹ̀ wá wẹ́ bàdàdà wìdí bàdàdà ẹ ti gẹ́ ẹ̀ bàdàdà. ẹ bá ń gbọ́ pé ó máa bed mi ò wá láti wá ṣeré. Àwọn àpèkẹ́tọ́ mọ̀ yẹn wọn lórí méjì. Kúlùbẹ̀lẹ̀ ó yá ṣe àwọn akókò Kúlùbẹ̀lẹ̀ good.
Gan.
Ẹ bá ń gbọ́ pé èèyàn good mo gbọ́ live Kúlùbẹ̀lẹ̀ ní ọjọ́ kan. Mo dẹ̀ wo live yẹn mo pé olórí burúkú làwọn èèyàn sẹ́ wèrè la máa fi wo wèrè. Oh Lord of hosts tí bàbá yẹn kọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kì í ṣe pé kò mọ̀ o. Tó kọ tiririririririri.
Do you know a lot of bó ṣe kọ yẹn àti rẹ anybody tó mú irú tún tó ṣe mú yẹn.
Funnest part ni pé original Nathaniel Bassey tó lórin gan òun gan lè dákọ original orin yẹn dáadáa tí Kúlùbẹ̀lẹ̀ ló ń bọ́ sí lẹ́nu Kò sọ lórí tó bá fẹ́ kọ oh Lord of hosts, the King of glory. Instead of oh Lord of hosts, the King of glory, Yahweh Sabaoth. But Kulubele long constant. Ọmọ yẹn mọ̀ mọ̀ ni kì í ṣe pé bí a pé ó mọ̀ mọ̀ ni. Pẹ̀lú ọ̀ràn tó tún máa ṣe báyìí. Ó mọ̀ mọ̀ ni. Wèrè kan tẹ̀ wá comment section ọmọ yẹn tó ní ààrẹ ni tó lè gba máìkì lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ fún lọ́rùn pa. Someone like
Jesus.
I swear to God.
Show me.
I saw that comment. What Kulubele said that day.
Sorry to use that word.
Àwọn èèyàn ṣẹ́rí àwọn èèyàn ní báyìí gbọ́ pé kí ni o. Wọ́n ní bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn dìde sọ̀múdẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ page bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ò ní ju 74 followers.
Oh, why now?
Ó dẹ̀ ní ṣáàrẹ́ ní tó lè gba máìkì lọ bọ̀bọ̀ yìí kọ́ fún lọ́rùn pa.
Àwọn tó ń.
Ṣẹ́rí people they will want you to die. But my brother, don't die o. If you die.
Ìkọ́ tí mo fi lè dispute together sọ yìí, there's one woman tó máa ń jó tó sanra báyìí. Mọ̀mí Bígé àbí kí ló máa ń pè é? That woman.
Yes, I knew her.
Wọ́n náà máa ń bully woman yẹn gan pé ó níkùn ó ṣe. Ó dà
Don't
pé
die
ká
o.
wá lọ ṣe surgery, ó wá kú.
Can you
These same
imagine?
people ló wá ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tí máa
RIP.
post RIP. Why people? Kí ló dé táwọn yẹn máa ń ronú?
Sherry, ẹ jẹ́ kí n tún wá buttress point yẹn. Ẹni tí ò bá ti ní RPO ló máa ń trend ọmọlàkejì. They are not loved at all.
Ẹni tí ò bá ti ní happy.
I'm telling you, ọkùnrin tó bá wá sí live tó bully obìnrin àbí ọkùnrin ọmọlàkejì ẹ̀ ilé òtòrò ẹ lọ́wọ́ wọn wọ́n máa ní problem nílé wọn nífẹ̀ẹ́ wọn lé. Eléré ibu ni wọn nífẹ̀ẹ́ wọn lé. No, ìwọ tó bá jẹ́ kó ní happy home tó èmi gan kàwé gan kò mọ bá ṣe ń lo ọpọlọ. Mo rí pastor tí mo sọ pé pastor redeem yẹn nínú ó ti serve copper ni.
Okay.
Ní ìgbọ́dọ̀ béèrè pé kí ni mí ní NYSC kò lè sọ. Ṣàṣẹ mọ́ wọn ni. Tó máa béèrè pé what's the meaning of POP? Tẹ́lómi ò ní lè sọ. Ẹni tí ò lè sọ full definition of POP. Báwo ló ṣe fẹ́?
Báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ àdírẹ́sì?
Báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ ẹ tí wọ́n wọ̀ pé wèrè lélẹ̀ men?
A kàn ṣáàṣù.
And then let me tell you something. I don't even care. I don't care. Sọ fàlàyé ẹnu sọ kọ́rọ́ kọfí tí ilẹ̀kùn. Adẹnu ọ̀gá mi máa ń kọrin kan pé èso tó bá pọ́n láyé máa ń jùkò mọ́. Àwòmọ́jú là ń wé èso tí ó pọ́n. Ẹni ará yóò jẹ́ ó gbádùn lẹ́ẹ̀kan. Ó sọ̀jẹ̀ náà ayé gbàgbé ẹ̀ lọ o. Yeah, get it. Bọ̀dá mi, wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ mi fa. Ní dáadáa àti láìda. It's normal. Ìwọ tó bá dẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ láìda, ó lè gòkè.
Ó lè gòkè.
Níbo àbútí lọ ni. Kó o gbé ládàá gan kò lè débẹ̀.
Ó lè relevant.
Because nínú irrelevant ni relevancy máa ti ń jáde. Kulubele ìgbà tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn bá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ́yé show tí irrelevant yẹn ti gbédé.
Gan.
Kenny Black, Samuel Banks.
Gan.
Tó lórin mi gan opportunity. Olórin mi máa lobby débi tí Kulubele sáré dé. Tó ti ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ blow kò tí pé 2 months now. If I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, sure now.
Kò tí pé 2 months. And then they said this guy has been singing in Ondo for years.
He said that only over 7 years.
Mọ́mí ẹ̀ dìde sọ pé mọ́tò àwọn làwọn máa gbé fún Kulubele tó máa ti dé program mi wá tó máa fẹ́ ṣe ẹ̀rìn bí odò bí àgbọ̀ndì ìgbà bó ṣe jìnnà sí bus stop ẹsẹ̀ ló máa fi rìn láti ìgbà dé gbogbo show tó bá fẹ́ lọ àwọn ọmọ báńdì ẹ̀ sọ.
Jesus.
Èmi náà personally táwọn èèyàn mọ bí mo ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀. Níbo mo ti ṣiṣẹ́ mo ṣe teacher ní Paraga ní Ondo.
Paraga.
Mo ṣe teacher gidi ní secondary school. Mo ṣe teacher tán mo ṣe teacher ní Christy International Montessori School ní Ìjẹ̀bú-Òde. Kò síṣẹ́ tí mi ò ṣe ṣá. But èmi kàn mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ Olúwa kò ní lọ láìṣẹ.
You are a graduate. Wow.
It's not a buzz everybody knows about it. Some people always be like, your spoken English is very fine. Are you sure you're right? My sister, she graduated from South American University. My youngest, I told her, she's a graduate.
Wow.
None of our families are not a graduate. Everybody, including our last born wagon, nursing school on.
Sorry. Because if we continue this show, we're going to spend like 3 hours. Okay, what would be your advice for people bullying, throwing bad comments what would be your advice to?
My number one advice is don't stop bullying. You know why?
Why?
Their bullies makes me stronger.
Their bullies make you stronger.
100. It makes me stronger. It bring out that Damilola famous Omoniliaji. It's bringing it out. I can face my fear now. Yeah. I was running from myself. I've been running from myself. I've been running away from my shadow. I've been isolating myself. I've been moving away from people. I've not been talking to people. My WhatsApp messages, it should be on 5K message. It's making reply. Their bullies is making me strong, and then their bullies is nice. It's sweet. It's enjoyable.
But that is not the way of correcting people.
It's left to them. Now them know. It's none of my business. But their bullies is so interesting. It's just like a Yoruba film. It can't come to pass.
Tí o bá sí bullying yẹn gan, ó máa ń nira
Wọ́n
fún
lè
èèyàn
mọ̀
láti.
mí.
Okay, tí o bá sí bullying yẹn wọ́n lè.
Àwọn èèyàn ní pọ̀ bí kéèyàn post fídíò láàrin 3 days kó dẹ̀ lé 100k views. No be juju be that. Lórí page mi gan ní Instagram gan, ìkan ti wọ 7k. Gbà tí mo dé bí báyìí ó ti wọ 7k views láàrin àná sẹ́ni. Ìkan ti wọ bí 15.8k views lórí Instagram. Lémi tí mo ti ń struggle 100 views lórí Instagram. Mo máa ti ń wọ bí 400 followers.
So abnormal ni àwọn táwọn èèyàn fẹ́.
Láfún òwèrè jàre my brother. Ìgbà tí Shikin ṣe DJ ṣọ́mọ ní DJ Shikin. Ìgbà tó pé asap wọ́n mọ̀ ṣé wọ́n mọ̀?
Mo gbọ́ pa.
Mi ò gbọ́ pa. Ṣé wọ́n mọ̀ ni?
Àwọn yẹn dẹ̀.
Kí lẹ̀ ń sọ yìí wọ́n ní lókè mo fẹ́ mọ ògo number 1 DJ Shikin evergreen ni. Olórin tó bá fẹ́ kọrin gan tí ò bá fi DJ Shikin sí bí akọ́mọ́ lànà Samuel Banks gan evergreen. Tẹ́lẹ̀ kan ló ń ṣe àríkẹ́ pre-order kìíní kan gbà tó tún yá tó tún gbé Lady J sí. Lànà Rufai gbádẹ́gun ẹlẹ́mi lórí. Oncho.
So it's actually obvious in this our generation now that craziness
they want it. That's what they want. Oh yeah, let's look at this. Our mom in industry, Mommy Saint Janet.
Okay.
She sings gospel. There's one of her songs.
Yes, I heard that.
There's this song there's one of her songs that I love most. Talk hallelujah oh, hallelujah oh, hallelujah oh. Mo ti rójú rere rẹ̀. Ìwọ ló bá mi ṣe Olúwa. Ó dójú tọ́ta mi. Ìwọ ló gbé mi ró. Ìgbà mi ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀. Ó fìyà jẹ mí. Ó dójú tẹ́lẹ̀ gan ò láyé mi. Ayé fẹ́ ṣe lẹ́yà mi o. Ó jẹ́ ògo Jésù. Hallelujah. Now she sing that song o. Tó tún kọ bí gbogbo ayé dìtẹ̀ mọ́ wá wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ tẹríba fún Olúwa. Àwọn olólórin yẹn o.
Ṣé kò ń ṣe hymn ni?
Hymn ni but pattern táwọn fi
báwọn ṣe kọ. Wow.
Wọ́n push orin yẹn kò tà mẹ́n. Màmá kan bọ́ sí ọ̀rọ̀ ó kọ́ mi lálẹ́ ọkọ́ mi lóru ASAP.
Àwọn yẹn dẹ̀ gbọ́ pa.
Wọ́n yí kí lẹ́ ń sọ yìí.
Pastor gan play ẹ̀.
Ó ń gbọ́n mi látàná kò má best orin tí mo like jù ní orin wọn nìyẹn. Bàbá mi wọ́n orun ìsàlẹ̀ 4 ló kù 3 ló kù ó ti tọ́ ń bẹ̀ o. Nígbà tó kọ yẹn ṣáwọn èèyàn láìkí ẹ ni. Màmá jayé ẹ lọ diaspora lọ anywhere ó ń lọ abroad bẹ́ẹ̀ ni lọ Lagos ni. Nǹkan tó kàn ò jẹ́ pé tó jẹ́ challenges kò sí kọ́ máa face ẹ̀. People don't want to see you prosper. Na you no go. Agbára olóhùn onílé wò. Onílé ni oníṣe kíni ni òní gbà. Bí ti pa bí ti kúkú mo gbọ́dọ̀ make it. Money needs to be made. You know you can't help me? Get the fuck. You know you want to help me? Don't stress me. You stress me, I curse you. I return your sins. Kama pademo till death do us part. Because you can't tell me to sacrifice my happiness. All because you want to be happy. Are you mad? As a man, you need to tolerate everything, even if I will be there. Come out do it. Why don't you do it? That's life.
So, to go into the end of the show, are you expecting support from people? And if you are expecting support from people to support your music career, what are the support you're expecting?
Yes, I looking up to people, my top artists, like my top colleagues.
Okay.
And I'm looking up to a man too, Mr. Ayeni Yeniyo.
Okay. Sorry, are you willing to have your own stand, to have your own brand?
I have my own brand.
Brand,
already.
okay.
I have my band.
Okay.
That we are very intact and then.
Could it affect you
At all.
anytime by share?
Tí ọwọ́ tí ọwọ́ Yorùbá ti tẹ̀kú dà èèyàn kí n béèrè kó tó pa bàbá ẹ̀ tí èèyàn bá dẹ̀ fẹ́ rìn láyé tó bá èèyàn bá fẹ́ pẹ́ láyé tó fẹ́ rìn láyé tó fẹ́ pẹ́ láyé díẹ̀ lèèyàn ṣe máa ń take process.
Okay, so now you're looking up to future some.
Yeah, musicians too can future me.
Okay.
Because I'm not up to that standard to future musicians.
Okay.
You understand?
I understand.
Only musician to my volunteer.
You're open for collaborations.
Collaborations.
Okay.
I'm open for collaborations. I'm open for church programs if they want, and I'm open for any club shows.
Okay.
But
live bands.
The only thing is that I cannot back up for any musicians aside my boss.
Oh, okay, good.
I did that sacrifice.
Okay.
For him.
Okay.
I can't back up for any musicians.
Any musician, okay.
Aside my boss.
Okay.
Unless bóyá ọ̀gá pè mí fún ẹni yẹn.
Okay.
Wọ́n máa ń pè mí fún studio work. Ló dá mi èèyàn kan pè é fún studio work ní sáré lọ. Gbowó ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ oyè báyìí lájọ sọ. Gbowó ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ kò pé tí ò bá ti fún ẹ gbẹ́rù ẹ̀ kó máa lọ.
Okay.
Tówó yẹn bá dẹ̀ pè ẹ́ dúró ẹ̀ kò ṣiṣẹ́ ẹ̀.
Oh, wow.
So that's it. And all the ladies' voice in my boss song Diplomacy.
Wow.
It is me.
Wow.
He didn't use anybody. So it's just me. So typically I am my boss favorite. Let me just be like that. I'm proud, like Monile Ajiwan.
Opa.
So I'm looking up to people who are there who still love Omonile Aji.
Okay.
Anything they can use to support, their comments, their share, their likes, their repost.
Okay.
Will go a long way.
Their connections.
Yes. And then if they are willing to help financially.
Okay.
No problem. And I really do appreciate
that.
And I won't take any love from them for granted. And then in this industry too, I would like those people I made mention of, Mommy Esther, Igbekele, Mom Tiwala Shitu, and Mom Olulomo Diamond.
Okay. I
will love them to help me in one or two ways in the industry. Their advices will go a long way. Their watchwords will go a long way. And their support will go a long way. The only thing I can say about everything trending online is just I am a very strong person who is striving hard to put food on our table.
They should please not bull you down.
I said it the other time. Let me put the mic in my mouth. Okay. Their bullies makes me
sorry. They should continue bullying.
They should continue, please.
Okay.
They shouldn't stop.
Okay.
The bad and the good comments should go. They should. In fact, it
gives you more traffic.
You get the point.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get some engagement and to chase clout.
Okay. So if you probably like to appreciate some people with this platform, so you can go ahead.
Yes, I'm here to appreciate my father. Okay. My lover. My one and only. Okay. The love of my life. Okay. The one. This appreciation goes to my boss. Okay. Damilola Omofamoshe.
Wow.
AKA Onile Aje, Mr. Jaguar, Mr. Famous, Demola Jesu. Get the Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò. Demola Jesu the 100. Secondly, I gave the kudos to. Actually, he offended me. Okay. But for the fact that he offended me, at least some of his words is still manifesting in my life. Okay. His name is Akolinks Akoko One. Akoko Baba Ibeje Koko Washe. Okay. He offended me, I said it. Okay. But at the same time, I won't take it for granted. He has been a good person. Okay. Because Anthony bad side, she only good side. Sure. Good side, you Kafi bad side, he's a very amazing person. Wow. I must say. Wow. But on talk big baluf jeko. But nevertheless, I gave the kudos to him. There was one day, hello Dami. gbọ́n kankan o kò dẹ̀ dùn mọ́ mi nù o ṣó wèrè ní ẹni kíníkan ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn wọ́n fi ṣèbínú he corrected me with love even he might be doing something at the back o but kò tèmi rí lèmi sọ.
Okay, yeah.
But he's an amazing person.
Okay.
Thirdly goes to my one and only keyboardist.
Okay.
Segun Lala. Segun is a very amazing person. And then fourthly Ayo Oluwapemisire.
Okay.
Our drummer.
Wow.
He's a very amazing person.
In your band?
Yes, in our band.
Okay.
And then, firstly, I should have say I give kudos to my parents.
Wow.
But I'll make that one the last.
Okay.
Because Egunla.
Benny, don't get him there. Yeah, you're
so, I give thanks to them. And then I give thanks to this man, Mr. Ayeni.
Wow.
And then I'm looking up to Mr.
The blogger?
Yes, the blogger.
Wow.
He asked me, that me shaking post there. Oh, my faramo bullying new.
Wow.
Not bad gone online, but my for what trend.
Sorry, apart from the live video, what you need another video contemporary that you are blasting like.
Now Ayeni ló ṣe video, èmi mo ní kó post ẹ.
Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn pọ̀.
Mo ní kó post ẹ ṣe. Online lọ wá àwọn lè bá mi sorry life.
Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn pọ̀.
Ṣé tí mo sọ àwọn ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti rí kankan.
Wow.
So I give kudos to Mr. Ayeni Yeniyo. Ayeni Amomocho. Number 1, Amomocho like gba abetele you get. And then I want to give thanks to Mr. Achievers TV.
Okay.
He still called me yesterday night when I was crying. He was the one who made me sleep. He pet me, he spoke to me.
You crying last night?
Life is very hard, but I just need to continue. And I give thanks to my younger sister, Ayomide, Mommy Derek, number 1. Sumisola Saint.
Wow.
Oh God. She's very amazing. Even when I had nothing.
Okay.
Though she has offended me before, but I'm forgiving her. She didn't call me for her wedding.
Sorry.
Well, because I was broke.
Sorry,
but nevertheless, I'm forgiving her. She's still my sister. And then I'm using this. I'm using this time to thank your wife.
Why?
Your wife. Even if it's not up to 2 minutes we met. I love the way she spoke to me.
Wow.
And I'm giving thanks to you too for giving me this platform.
Oh,
for bringing me in, for not looking down on me. Though you might have been hearing some stuff, but at the same time, I give the thanks to you. I give you kudos. I want to say something. I want to thank myself for not giving up.
I'm
thanking myself for being a strong person, for not giving up. Anybody give up, no fuck up. To about 40 fuck up.
Come on, crow lay yeah for 7 years. Without
anywhere tí marry ni mo máa sùn. Gba wọ́n ṣe onílé kan lágége tá máa san 100 naira per day. Ilé èrò 12 nu yàrá kan. Ẹsẹ̀ la máa fi ń dára mọ̀.
Atọ́kùnrin àtọ́bìnrin.
Wait, bí a kẹ́ máa bìnrin bí tá bá rí kọ́lẹ̀ máa sùn ni. I thank myself for not giving up when men use me as an advantage of sex toy. I want to thank myself for not looking down on myself. And I want to thank myself for being a good mother to my kids.
Wow.
And I really want to thank myself for making me see future in myself.
Wow.
I want to thank myself for the woman I'm becoming. I want to thank myself that I'm a star.
100.
Even if I'm still a star.
100.
At least some thousands of people are seeing me now. A lot of people are there, so I'm a star.
And still continue.
Continue, 100.
Still counting.
You know you gbọ́dọ̀ kú se.
No agree again.
No agree. Ìgbà kan rí. Orin yẹn o tó yí máa yẹn kọ ìgbà kan yẹn lè sí ní labor.
Ó ní kan tí mo wá rí tẹ kọ́ ìgbà kan. I saw your video, you feature a guy like this.
Ògo Titun. Ìgbà mo ronú jinlẹ̀ dáadáa. He featured me. Then was I said, òun ló kó mi yọ nínú ewu. Kò má jẹ́ kó tayọ mi o. Ọ̀rọ̀ ayé mi wá jẹ́ ìyàlẹ́nu. Ó padà sọ mí dọba kò màmá sẹ́ni tó dàbí rẹ̀ olùṣọ́àgùntàn mi mo kí ọ kárí dánsákì rẹ̀ olùgbàlà ọpẹ́ mi màrè o mo wá dúpẹ́ tẹ́wọ́n gbọ́ pẹ́ mi ẹ ṣeun gan. Orin yẹn ṣe manifest tonight. Yes, I give thanks to Ogotito. Ọkọ Mira Magic. I give thanks to Mira Magic too. She came to me said, Auntie Dami, do your thing. People will talk. I give thanks to Mira Magic. And then this Mira Magic of 18, she sells wig. She sells braided wig. She said she sells everything. She sells clothes. Like I'm polo fún ọba yìí ni. Ẹ bá mi passionate Mira Magic lórí TikTok all platform. Number 1 ni wọ́n pé méjì. Ìkòròdú lọ́wọ́ onígbẹ̀rìgbẹ̀. Ẹ tètè bá mi patronize wọn. She's a very amazing person. She came to me that Auntie Dami, do your thing, no? They will talk.
Let's thank one more person.
Okay.
Kulubele.
Oh! Yes! I still want to say
Couldn't
that.
believe this guy. The last time he came here for the interview, he said something. Only ọbẹ̀ nìkan wọ́n ṣe ọbẹ̀ nìkan lọ́wọ́ sí tí ò ní pẹ́ jiná. It will be you. And I pray it will be you.
Amen. It is me. It is me.
And God use him now.
I swear.
Wow.
Let me buttress that point. I give thanks to me. I used to call him Solomon.
Oh.
Kulubele.
Wow.
I call him by his real name. My one and only inspirational master. Kulubele, aka Anokun. Samad. Wakula. Yeah. You understand? So, that guy, I give thanks to him. And another one, I give thanks to Balo.
Wow.
My amiable celebrity soldier. And I give thanks to, I'm giving thanks to Daddy Sekodun in advance.
Wow.
Of what he's going to do next. Because I need his help too.
Okay.
He's a very good man.
Wow.
With what I've been hearing and everything.
Okay.
I'm giving thanks in advance to Mr. Daddy Sekodun, rather. So definitely. Kí lẹ sọ yìí? Ọbẹ̀ ẹlẹ́mìí méje ni. Wọ́n lè jẹ tán. Wọ́n lè gbé guest tó bá lo, wọ́n máa lo irú, wọ́n máa lo gìrì, wọ́n máa lo ewédú, wọ́n máa lo láàsì. Wọ́n máa kó mi ní rush.
So okay, now let me ask you this last question.
Okay.
Are you in a relationship now?
Well,
or you are open for in case our viewers want to. Well, complete that well.
Actually, I was once single.
Okay.
But I'm still single.
Okay.
And then I might be taken anytime soon.
Okay, very good.
I was once single.
Okay.
I am still single.
Okay.
But I might still be taken.
That's a wish.
Yes.
Okay.
Because it's a must I get married.
Yeah, 100%.
It's a must.
100%. You still look sweet. Yeah. You still
like
look
I'm also to shata. Egba mo walk up and down ọkùnrin still no much me back.
100.
So I'm still looking up to have a man, not just a man.
Okay.
I'm not
a responsible person.
Come on, responsible girl. As far as responsible. Sorry,
in case because a lot of ọkùnrin wọ́n máa ń rò báyìí pé táwọn bá fẹ́ni tí ó jẹ́ single mother ṣáwọn làwọn máa take care àwọn ọmọ.
Rárá o, mi ò sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Kò sẹ́ni tí mo fẹ́ rí tó ní mo béèrè owó school lọ́wọ́ òun o, owó school àwọn ọmọ mi lọ́wọ́ òun o. Nǹkan tí mo lè béèrè lọ́wọ́ ọkùnrin lówó oúnjẹ ìyẹn ní pé tẹ́bi yẹn bá ti fẹ́ yí orí mi sẹ́yìn.
No man now. Person wey you dey date supposed to take care of the person.
Take care, yes,
definitely. That is 100%.
So and then nǹkan tó máa sọ pé olóṣó àwọn èèyàn olóṣó. Gbogbo obìnrin lolóṣó fa.
Gbogbo obìnrin lolóṣó.
Because funnest part ni pé èmi àti àǹfẹ́ránsìn àti mari ó dómi tán nu yàrá tó bá ń jáde èsì owó oúnjẹ dà. O ti gbowó òbú ẹ nìyẹn.
Okay. Ẹgbẹ́ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ lórí.
Gbogbo obìnrin ni. Okay, àjọba ara wa sùn tọ́ṣọ̀ ní jẹun tó bá dé okùnrin la fi ń gbé títà.
Tó bá dẹ̀ ti fún ẹ̀ enjoy sex pẹ̀lú obìnrin gan gbọ́dọ̀ tún fún
lówó.
Ló ra nǹkan fún.
Nǹkan tóbìnrin fẹ́ money. Another thing important money. Another thing very very important money. Another thing very 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 important is still money. Ṣé rí kò sí báyìí fẹ́ manage ọkùnrin pé ó máa lówó job my brother tí n bá dúró ọdún méjì pé ò tí ì lówó mo rọ́jú ni o.
Mo jápa nìyẹn.
Mi ì tún ní jápa máa support ẹ.
Okay.
I will support you.
Oh wow.
But máa rí pé mo support ẹ ẹni tí a fẹ́ gbé tí ò gbéra ẹ̀. Èmi máa fi ẹ lẹ́nu but tí bá support ẹ tó bá make ẹ èmi gan máa proud mo lè support ẹ gan kí n má fẹ́ máa fún àmà sọ fún ẹ pé mi ṣe mọ́ wọ́n pọ̀ dáadáa tí mo ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ fún.
Wow.
Má dìdí sọ pé mi ò ṣe mọ́ ni like máa ní mi ò ṣe mọ́ kó má dàbí pé torí pé mo support ẹ èmi dẹ̀ proud tó èmi máa sọ̀rọ̀ pé torí ìrègùn la ṣe ń ṣe oore.
ẹ̀yin proud.
èmi ò proud mo proud so I'm a very proud person.
But n tó bá understand yìí máa.
tó bá understand ìwà mọ̀ pé àgẹ́ yìí náà she's not like I'm the sweetest human being on it I said it the other time.
Yes.
Before I leave this side I give thanks to my mom.
Wow.
Abisola Mion. Ìyá àbèjì. Ìyá Ẹdúnjọbí.
Wọ́n bí ìbejì.
Yeah, last born.
Wow.
Ìyá Olúwasúnmibáre, which is me. Mọ́mì Ayọ̀mídé. Mọ́mì Ọláṣùbòmí. Ọláṣùbòmí ṣe rere. That's our third one is a guy. Mọ́mì àwọn èjìrì ará ìṣó. Mọ́mì Derrick. Mọ́mì Ayọ̀adé. Mọ́mì Adéfẹ̀. Ìyá gbogbo ayé. Ìyá matron kan. Ṣàgámù kan. I said it. She might be cranky sometimes. Àṣeparí ìjà wa gan. My mom came to my DM yesterday. Láàárọ̀ Dami, ọkọ mi, I'm sorry for what I did. You know I love you. I said, Mommy, I love you too. I can never stop loving you. Another thing, appreciation goes to my dad.
Okay.
There was one day I went to sleep at my dad's place. Popsi mi gbọ́ rí. Ọkùnrin mi ò ṣe rí sẹ́. Popsi mi jí láago 4. Ẹ mọ̀ àwọn Ẹ̀pàfra program àwọn Ẹ̀pàfra tó máa ṣe ní ìdájí yẹn. Popsi mi jí láago 4. Wọ́n dẹ̀ parí láti ìgbà táwọn Ẹ̀pàfra ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Wọ́n dẹ̀ pray wọ aago 2 àárọ̀.
Wow.
Wọ́n pray kíkankíkan. Orí àdúrà wọn, igi àkọ́ṣẹ́ mi jẹ́ kó ṣe rere.
Wow.
Àkọ́bí mi jẹ́ kó ṣe rere. Gbogbo bí wọ́n bá ń pe olórí 10 jẹ́ kó wà ní top 1. Wọ́n fẹ́ last top 1 ni top 1 ni top 1 ni.
Ibẹ̀ làwọn kan dẹ̀ ti ń gbéyàn wọn ṣe pé.
Èpè èmi máa sọ pé èpè wọn ò lè mú mi nígbà tí dádì mi ò tí kú. Ṣé dádì mi ń sùn lé ni? Bàbá sùn mi ò sùn kò nẹ̀gẹ̀ àá.
Ẹ̀yin gan dẹ̀ sùn.
Ìsùn bo bí olólè aláwo mi lọ́la aláfa o bọ́ mi ò kéré nu Jésù. Pásítọ̀ mi gan mo lè kóòtù Bible fún mo lọ seminary school sẹ́lẹ̀ náà. School Baba Adégòkè Rainbow International College.
You are coming for part 2. Let's cut it off.
Okay.
Let's cut it.
So I give thanks to everybody.
Wow, that's...
Nice to have me here.
Yes.
I really do appreciate your time, your advice, and then your talks. Like I love everybody, even my bullies. I love you. I love everybody. I love you. Keep bullying, keep liking, keep sharing, keep commenting. Is it that bullies? Is it that likes? Is it that, everything?
Okay.
Always now, everything works together. So I thank everybody, my viewers, my supporters, my friends, my enemies. I really do appreciate and thank everybody.
For a lot of people seeing your face for the first time and meeting you for the first time, call your social media do.
Okay. I am Omonile J1 RN. Don't forget to put that Redeem Nation RN Omonile J1. That's on TikTok.
Okay.
And on my Instagram, Dynamics 4056 _ 4056.
On Instagram.
Dynamics, yes, Dynamics _ 4056 on Instagram.
Okay.
And then on Facebook, Damilola Abiodun on Facebook. So that's it.
Okay. Would you like to call your phone number or you don't want people to disturb you?
They should disturb me.
Oh yeah, call your phone number.
Ẹni ara yóò jẹ́ gbádùn lẹ́ǹkan. Ó sàn jẹ́ náà yóò gbàgbé ẹ lọ.
You too stubborn. Oh yeah, call
my phone number is, but I don't do callings. I love to chat on WhatsApp.
Chat on WhatsApp, okay. Good.
It's 090 16 67 75 16.
Again.
090 16 67 75 16. Airtel ni mo ń lò mi ò mind but kò ṣe ó pè mí ṣá.
Okay, tó bá fẹ́ ó pè kó DM ní WhatsApp.
Kó DM ní WhatsApp.
Okay. All right, kò dẹ́n ṣe fún ẹ̀yin tí ẹ máa message kí ọ̀sìn kìíní ẹ máa ń pọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ mi bá pe nọ́mbà mi báyìí a lot of people máa message ẹjọ́ mi tí jẹun látàárọ̀.
Wọ́n pọ̀.
Ẹ mọ̀ mi ṣe kìíní kan mo mọ̀ pé everybody ló ń go through it but ó ṣe gbogbo èèyàn lèyẹn kàn máa ń bang into
yes.
ẹ mọ̀ ní tẹ́ni yẹn gan.
Celebrities èmi gan celeb nílé ẹ̀ ìta láti máa ń rí aṣọ láfi ń bò wọ ara wa.
Everybody is going through a lot.
Very very.
Ẹjọ́ and I want to say something àwọn tó máa ń DM èèyàn fún help ẹ máa try láti máa ní value tẹ́yìn gan fẹ́ tí ẹni tẹ́ fẹ́ kó help yín kó rí lára yín not just to just take your bill ẹjọ mi tí jẹun
látàrí
mi
tí báyìí tí mo jókòó gan èmi gan tí jẹun èmi gan ṣì wẹ́n tó máa róúnjẹ fún mi ní kéèyàn tiẹ̀ fún mi lówó sí kó wàhálà kó fún èmi tí mo ti èèyàn fún mi ní 2k mo dẹ̀ plan láti frame receipt yẹn pé láti appreciation èmi máa appreciate gan mo lè appreciate ẹni tó fún mi 2k fún dídí ọdún 5 bí wà mí ṣe rí nìyẹn but tó bá fún mi 2k yẹn sìn tó bá ṣe wèrè in the next 2 seconds wèrè á ṣe o.
tó fún mi 2k tó wá béèrè nǹkan mi pé
ló lè béèrè nǹkan mi normal ni but tí ò bá wún mi kò gbà kó dìjà ni wọ́n dẹ̀ máa sọ pé èrè lobìnrin jẹ lábọ̀ ọjà bó ṣe rí nìyẹn.
Alright so a ní rí jù báyìí lọ lórí ètò lónìí still your humble Stephen Adekunle still blessed.